Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Matt. In this video, I'll be going over systeme.io. It's a all-in-one platform that you could create emails, excuse me, funnels. You could do blogs as well too. But in this video, I'm just going to be going over the funnel portion of it. So you have your different options down here. You could build an audience. You could create a sales funnel, custom funnel, and a webinar funnel. Okay, so gonna go over here and we're gonna put test. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and build an audience, and then this portion for this doesn't really matter, but here's your different options. If you want to create a sales funnel, okay, they've got different currencies. Gonna go ahead and click on create. Okay, so we'll just wait for that to load up, and then here are your different funnel templates here. Okay, for this purpose, we're gonna select this one. Okay, so you have your squeeze page, your thank you page, and you could add steps as you go along as well too. Okay, so and you could name this as well. So we're gonna name it test. Name the funnel test, and you could keep your excuse me, your URL path for this, and then we're gonna click on edit. All right, so you have your different options here. Okay, these are sections, so you could delete. So I'm gonna delete this section here, and then here is your lead magnet. What a lead magnet is like an ebook or anything that you're selling, or you want to get the user to download. It's just like a free giveaway. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and click on the gear looking thing. Okay, and then we're gonna change the ebook. So you're gonna on your image file, you're gonna click here, all right, in the arrow, and then you're gonna go to your images, and then we're gonna go down to insert that. Okay, so you see how I did that, and then looks clean already, and then we're gonna go here, and I just like to separate this. I'll show you why here, and then I already have something that I'm gonna put into the headline. Okay, just for the purpose of this speeding up this video. And then okay, so go here, and then we just oops, let me go back, Control Z, and then wait a minute, hold down Shift, and then put in video. We're just gonna capitalize the first letters in the title. Okay, so I'm gonna do that real quick, and then we're gonna do free video reveals how you could generate 5 to 10 leads per day. Okay, so we're gonna just leave it like that. All right, and then you have your ebook, and then we're gonna go down here, and then we're gonna edit this up a little bit. Okay, so this is the button, so we're gonna click on the different options here. We're gonna keep on send form, but you could send them to a pop-up. You could open up a URL or do like a next step URL, but in this case, like I said, we're gonna send form. That's sending out the email either right away or the next day or whenever you want to send the email. Okay, so we're gonna go down, gonna change this color here more of an attention grabber. So we'll let's see, either red, or we'll just go with orange for now. All right, and so here's your ebook. So I'm gonna go down a little bit because there's some more stuff at the bottom that we don't need. So, but just for the time constraints of this video, I'm just going to show you how to get rid of it, okay? Well, the first part, and then if you decide to join for free and want to create a landing page, you could do it yourself. But you just click on this little garbage can and you just delete it, okay? So, and you just click on this here, and here's your landing page. All right, so we're just gonna back out of it. Just gonna back out of it. We're gonna click Save Changes. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the automation. We're gonna go ahead and click on rules. We're gonna add a rule. Okay, we're gonna add a tag to it, and then subscribe to email list. Okay, and then we're gonna add a funnel step subscribed to. Oh, hold on. Subscribe to my email list, and then we're gonna click on test. Okay, and then we're gonna click on save rule. Okay, so that's how you're gonna set up your email marketing system, and I'm gonna put out another video on how to do that. And if you are ready to join for free, go ahead and click the link below. Thank you.